What's going on, guys? You must be wondering why I'm whispering. Because it's Friday night, it's past 10 o'clock, and Mrs. Raffy's sleeping. So if I make too much noise, she's gonna kick my butt. No, she won't, but gotta let her sleep. She works tomorrow. The reason I'm doing this short video is because I got bored. I was playing some Brawl Stars. It's a mobile game, in case you guys are not familiar with it. And I decided to grab a random 6 single packs Pokemon cards. And I'm gonna open them. So I said, let me record in case I pull something good, because then people won't believe me. So let's do this. Alright, guys. So mind the mess. I don't think I'm gonna pull much from these, but you never know. This is Darkness Ablaze. Here, this is where all the fire is. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Under. Alright. Energy. Simisage. Oh, Vanillish. Clang. Carablast. Melton. Marini. Probably. Starly. Ooh. Okay. Some shimmy. Alright. This first package. Put it right there. One, two, three. Energy. Kakuna. Moo cheese. Say why. You see, I'm liking this because these packages, I got cards that I don't have. Okay. No biggie. It's pack number 2. So pack number 3. With Fat Pikachu. Oh, no Nick Pikachu. Alright. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. League Staff. Ooh, Charmeleon. Pinkerton. Wishmer. He's crying. Ooh, Trubbish. Don't know. Yeah, these are cards that I don't think I have. Ooh, Woobat. What is this? What is this? Yo. Yo. Look at this.
What is that?
I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what it is.
What is that?
This is a... Dude, this has got me like... Where I think I might just open a box. Yo. Yo. Alright, Pika. Watch over that. Yo, I'm motivated. No, I'm really hyped.
Oh, I just gave names.
Oh, man. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Under. Energy. Carbine. Escape rope. Flip Bug, Silly Cobra. You know what stuff that Honduras. Ooh. Okay.
Hello, Universal.
It's not bad. Not bad. Brozo. You know, put this right here next to the shinny. Yo, 2 more packs.
Might as well open all the packs.
I'm tempted.
I mean, they just,
Yo, I need to find out about that card. I haven't seen that card before. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under. Flip. Energy. Gotharita. Pierce. Powerful Energy. Aaron. Ooh, Cupchew. I can't wait to find a shiny Cupchew on Pokemon Go. Oh, that's nice.
I have one.
What?
There's a shiny Cubchoo.
Oh, I know you do.
Wait, hold on, let me see the card.
What?
The gold one you got.
Yo, that's a nice card. Alright, last pack. Well, last pack that I grabbed because I got quite a few more. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Under. Flip. Energy. Ooh, Fluffy. Aridos. Familiar Bell. Teddy Ursa. Rookady. Torchic. Trapinch. Jigglypuff. Shiny. Oh, that's nice. Golisopod. That's a...
I don't know. It says $15, but I saw someone selling it for $40. But
you know what I'm saying? That's nice. I don't know, guys. Should I open the rest of my single packs? I probably got like another 10.
9.
Let me think about it. All right, guys. 9 more. Let's do it. All right, guys. Let's do this. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doublade. Silly Cobra. Frillich. Condor. Scatterbug. One inch. Oh, that's nice. Morantis. It's not shiny. I like the card. Put it on the side. Alright.
let me see the card.
Okay. Border underneath. Ooh.
Which is the evolve from?
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Right. Come on, Celebi. Come on, Celebi. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Almost messed it up.
I almost pulled 5. Yeah. They want Heroes Medal. I got the regular one.
Yeah, you get the other one.
Barnacle. Clefairy. Cinnamon. Milcery. Meowth. Ooh, Whelmer. Ooh, nice.
Look at that card.
And Whelmer. I like the color blue in those cards.
Come on, give us something good.
Come on, you sound good. Energy, Hitler, Tower of Darkness, Korean Focus, Cacnea. Oh wow. Spoink! Ooh, Mr. Mime. Scatterbug. Ooh, that's nice.
Another one? Is that shiny? Oh my god, that's a shiny.
Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Oh my god. That was weird.
Oh my god.
Let me see this one first.
Alright, come on. Yeah, I think he's got his headphones where he's playing. He's not gonna hear us.
I need to show this one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Scuba, French, Esper.
I'm not ready for this card.
I don't think he's ready for that card. Oh,
Oh my god, look. You see that card? You see that auxiliary? Look. Boom. It's a shiny gold. That looks nice.
Yeah. Auxiliary. Oh, yeah.
Oh shoot, I didn't sleeve the other one.
Which one? No, there's both of them. Right there. Did I already did this? Yeah.
Yeah, you get 2 gold cards.
I got. Alright. Tyranitar's turn.
I would like to play.
I'll pull a rainbow out of one of these.
Imagine rainbow Tyrannosaurus.
4. Yo. That's Pig. Girder. Lickitung. Electabuzz. Esper. Timber. Slowpoke. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Indeedee. Nice. I like that silver.
You have the V card, both 2 V cards of this Pokemon.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Tyranitar. No. This guy.
I'm gonna open one second.
Come on. God, I saw something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thunder. Flip. Morpeko. That dark Morpeko. Hangry Tackle. Nice. Sparrow. Yeah, buddy. Come on.
I mean, we have 2 good cards out of
Yeah, that's
15.
not bad.
It's not bad. It's actually good you wanted to record this because if you did it, you would have regretted it.
I would have been mad if I didn't record this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip. 3, 4. Horsey.
No, nothing.
It's okay.
Last pack is Vivid.
Bronzor. This is cute. Vividon. Nice. Alright, guys. Let's see if Celebi has something good. Alright. Out of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Underneath. Boop. Alright. Pogo. Wyndham Stadium. Metang. Linkada. Wishmer. Drummer. Come on. Whalmer. Honey. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's all good. It's all good in the hood. Alright, guys.
Alright, it's time to open my elite box. It's like
The blue box, we should do that. Alright, so this is what we've pulled so far. Don't cry. Oops. So upside down. Doom. No sleeve. Yo, this right here. That's where the fire is. Yeah, I gotta look at that. Wow.
hold on.
What else I got over there?
Guys,
I got these. Alright, so I got. Not bad. I like that. Wilmer. Nice. Embor. That's nice. This is upside down. Nice. Bronzone. No sleeve. That dark cry is nice too. What? Wow, look at that. Shiny gold. 24 karat magic in the air. Alright, guys. That's it. It's late. Just opening that up. Made me tired. I figured I shared that with you guys. Yeah, I think I'm tomorrow I'll open a couple boxes with the kids, with my boys. But so far, this is fire. Especially this. Look at that card. Oh yeah. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for all your support. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and keep on bringing more videos. Alright? Big hugs to every single one of you. Dabs, boop, to all my homies. As usual,